If you're still typing every receipt into a spreadsheet by hand, this video ends that. Here are 5 simple AI tips that'll give you your time back. No tech background needed. Tax season or not, the busy work piles up. Receipts to type, transactions to sort, clients to chase, numbers to explain. These 5 tips take that work off your plate. And here's the good news. You only need to learn 3 new tools in this whole video. The other 2 tips use things you already have. One rule before we start. AI is a helper. It is not the accountant. You are. Anything it sorts, suggests, or answers still gets your review. Nothing goes in the books until you've checked it. Nothing gets filed on its word alone. That's the deal, start to finish. All right, tip 1. Tip 1. Snap a photo of a receipt and let it file itself. There's a tool called Dext. Open it on your phone, point the camera at a receipt, take the photo. That's it. It reads the amount, the date, and the shop name. Then it puts everything where it belongs. No typing at all. One more thing before you download anything. If you use QuickBooks or Xero, look inside the app first. A receipt camera may already be built in. Either way, the shoebox of receipts becomes a few minutes of photos. You glance over the results, fix anything odd. Done. Tip 2. Let your software sort for you. You probably already have QuickBooks or Xero. Both can sort transactions on their own. The coffee shop charge goes to meals, the gas station goes to travel. Here's the thing, that feature is often just switched off. So turn it on. It's one setting, and it learns from you. Every time you fix one, it gets a little smarter. Now the important part, you still review every suggestion. It sorts, you decide. That's 10 minutes of checking instead of an hour of typing. Same books, much less evening. Tip 3. Stop chasing clients over email. There's a tool called Keeper. It looks through a client's books for you. It finds what's missing. The mystery charge with no explanation. The receipt that never showed up. Then it turns all of it into one tidy list. Your client gets that list. They check things off like a shopping list. No more 7 polite emails about one receipt. You ask once. The list does the reminding for you. Try it with your most forgetful client first. You'll feel the difference in a week. Tip 4. Ask your tax question in plain English. There's a tool called TaxGPT. You type a real question, the way you'd actually say it, like, can my clients claim a home office? It gives you a clear starting answer, and it shows you where the answer came from. That beats an hour of digging through documents. Now, remember the rule from the start. This is a starting point, not a filing decision. You verify it the way you always do. But starting from a good answer is faster than starting from a blank page. Tip 5. Turn a confusing number into a sentence your client understands. Use a general AI helper for this one. ChatGPT or Claude, both work. Paste in the technical part, then ask it to explain the idea to someone with no accounting background. In one sentence. What comes back is the sentence your client actually needed. Read it, adjust it, send it. Clients who understand their numbers stay calm, they decide faster, and they trust you more. Try it on the next email you'd spend 20 minutes wording carefully. So that's 5. Snap the receipt. Turn on the sorting. Send one tidy list. Ask the plain question. Explain one number simply. 3 new tools. 2 features you already have. Pick one tip. Try it today. Any of them works on a normal Tuesday. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more of these. And drop a comment. Tell me which tip you want the full step-by-step on. Now go close those books. The busy work just got smaller.